In today's video, guys, for one, I finished that mobile home system, and two, I go diagnose one that was tripping a breaker. So I'm gonna take you along for both of those. This morning it started out really foggy, but first up is the system that was tripping a breaker. You're not gonna believe some of what I found. Here it goes. Compressor tripping the breaker. That ain't never a good thing.
Nah, it ain't.
Oh man, this thing looks like it's been here for a long time, and I know it happened.
It's just that sun, don't beat it up.
Yep. That's the wrong one. Looks like it's calling right now.
Yeah, she probably had left on by it, took out the disc of it.
All right, we got no power.
Oh, you want me to flip that breaker?
No, not if it's going, trip
as long
it.
as it's not on, it won't trip.
No, no, don't. Not right now. I'm just making sure I ain't got no power.
Oh, okay.
Mm. $38. All right. All right. Oh, that compressor would be real easy to change if we have to. First, let's see if we got direct short to ground. Mm. Mm. 410 ohms to ground. That will trip a breaker. I can put me a suction filter right there. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. get one in it.
Yeah, somebody been there. Somebody took out the drain.
And look at that. Oh my word, there's a leak right here. It's all wet up here too. It's just soaking with oil. I mean, that is just soaking wet. We got, hold on. Oh, I think that's it right there. Looks like right there. Y'all see those little bubbles? Yep. Right there. Alright guys, I had to make sure, I had to check and see if that thing was registered. It was not. The liquid line dryer was installed backwards. It was leaking. That gas line, you know, that's not really up to code. And there were just problems. They said that they no longer deal with the company that installed that, so maybe I'll get the job. Tell you what, a job like that though, when you start adding Freon and all that stuff to it, it gets expensive real quick. We are headed to that trailer system I've been working on for 2 days to finish it up. Here we go. We are back on that system. This is my third visit out here to try and finish up this job. At this point, I'm wanting to just finish so I can bill out. We are back on this one. I'm fixing to get this thing wired up and we're going to turn it on here in just a second. Yeah. Now I gotta deal with that. That won't reach. I think my battery just died. This is the first mobile home system I've seen with a board like this and a variable torque motor. Actually, a 16 different torques. I am not seeing dip switches. Yeah, there's some dip switches to set it, so I got to go through the manual. But we're getting real close to being done. It might be a bad idea to put sensitive electronics on something that's prone to leak like this. Cool. All right, let's charge this. Here inside it looks like it was cumbersome to try to fit it in there, so I put it out here. I'm using what I recovered. looks like I may need to charge it. High superheat, low subcooling. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more Freon. Alright, the drain's hooked up. When I'm done charging, I'm gonna come back and silicone that hole. But right now, I don't have a cover for that. So we're going to use one of the knockouts and just place it over it. Looks better. Now let's charge this thing up and I'll come back and see. 70 degrees out here. And 72 in here. That's what you call an iguana drain. Iguana drain like it's supposed to do. So I'm extremely thankful to be done with that system. They're up and cooling, everything's doing fine. That's one of those moments where you're just like, glad to be done so I can bill out. I'll try to leave a link at the end of the video to the other two videos, parts 1 and parts 2. So thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like these kinds of videos, how about like and subscribe? It helps out. Catch you on the next one.